Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the number 10 program, which is remove duplicates from an array. And as I said previously, on the other videos, I have already covered all of this in details. For instance, on this playlist, you're going to find operations on arrays. So, like finding two maximum numbers, deleting an element from an array, specific position, or at the end, removing an element from the beginning at the end from a position, separating, and many other programs that I already worked on my channel using C language or C++, where using new pre-built functionalities. Okay. There I explained how the steps goes well, but now on Java I am primarily focusing on the pre-existing functions, because the most of the time on Java you're going to do that, use the pre-built ones like arrays. You're going to use arrays that sort or copy something from something. So the most of the time you're going to find yourself working with the libraries that are supported with Java, okay? You need to master that. So removing a duplicate from an array, there is many ways actually to do this. Let me first create a class and then start explaining what we're going to do, okay? So create a class, call it remove duplicates, like this. Let me zoom out and let the public static void main public static void main stuff and create a new array int array and let go with 3 3 3 and like let me go here and do 7 and here 8, another 5 here, and another 10, like this. So as you see here, now we have many duplicates number, like 3 duplicates and 7 and 10, okay? So how to remove this duplicate number? Actually, there is many ways to do it. I'll go, for instance, we could create an array like though int. I'm sorry. I used to use the shortcut, that's why return array that length. Nope. I'm going to do new array. And in this new array, what I'm going to do, I'm going to save a dynamic length, okay? And what I'm going to do, for instance, we could use saving this element at this array, okay, like save 1, then after that, so if we want to insert 2, we're going to check is this array contain number 2, then insert number 2, then check if this array contain number 3, it's not, then 4, then for instance inserting 3, we're going to check again for this array, it is contain number 3 or not. It is contained, so we're not going to insert it into this array. And for instance, if we define here, so let me do this array. Let me show you something. Array is equal to new array and array that length. Okay, I'm going to do next, if I found that this is already exists, I'm not going to insert it, and I'm going to reduce the length of this array by -1, for instance, like this, by -1 if it exists, if it finds the duplicates, and so on. We could do that, and there is other ways actually to do it, but what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use something supported in Java, which is sets or hash sets. So I'm going to do hash sets, because hash set basically by default does not allow duplicates to store duplicates. That's why I'm going to use hash sets. So this is hash sets of integers that here int, as you see, integers, and then the set is equal to new hash set array, and the diamond operator, as you see here, no need for this, just create a new hash set, And as you see here, what I done, I just instantiate a new brain hash set with integer. Previously we was need to add integer here, but for the nowadays version of Java, no need to add any generic type in the diamond operator. Okay, so after instantiating our hash sets, what we're going to do, just running a for loop, instead of doing this for I and stuff, I'm going just to go for int I or int number in array, and then set that at number. So now in the set we add in the numbers. Okay, basically if it's any number, is not going to duplicate number already inserted in the set, and then trying to insert another one is not going to be inserted. So that's the beauty thing about hash sets. I'm going to do just system that out, that print the set. I'm going to run the program, and as you see here, all duplicate has been removed easily, because as I said, hash set does not support duplicates, or does not allow to insert in a duplicate. So for hash set, you can manipulate that. You use other functions like isEmpty, remove, clear, clone, and so on and so forth. But we need to add, and this is how to remove duplicates. And as I said, you could use many other ways, but my primary focus here is just to get to know Java and work with pre-existing libraries. And for the playlist, also I'm going to support you with the link of it if you want to work manually on that. And basically the same thing. The same thing you could do, like using C or C++, doesn't matter. What is matter is to have to understand how to solve something, or how to read to something you want. And in this course, we primarily actually focusing on Java. And thank you for watching, and let's move on to the next one.